Hello guys, I'm back. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. And today I am here with you to share a curiosity about Brazil. In Brazil, people love football, soccer games, and as tomorrow we'll have the first soccer game from Brazilian team, the country will virtually stops. Every time that we have a World Cup and we have the games related to Brazil, it's common that shops, offices, industrial facilities, supermarkets stops during the period of time of the game. That it's around 2 hours of play. So if you are interested on solving something during this time, during this period of time, most probably you will not be able to solve with a person that lives in Brazil because it's common that the companies allows the employees to go home before the game to watch the game at their home, and of course that we compensate the hours later, or in some industrial facilities where it's not possible to let people go home to watch the game, they stop the administrative operations and everyone are able to watch the game while they are in the company. So there are no activities, work activities, but people watch the game, and once the game finishes, everyone returns to its normal activities. And this is interesting because, as you can see, I am in a room of a hotel and I went to Salvador, Bahia. I live in Rio de Janeiro, the office where I work in Rio de Janeiro, but I traveled to deal with chemical process engineering, plant design, in a detailing design company here in Salvador. And I totally forgot about the game. I do not follow soccer games, and I was not aware that tomorrow we would have the first Brazilian team soccer game. And I discussing with the owner of the company. He told me that he needs to let employees go home to watch the games because if he doesn't do that, it can be a trouble. People will work unhappy and it's not beneficial. So it's better to let people stop their work and compensate their hours later than keeping them in the office doing, let's say, uh, uh, doing what they need to do. But as I am here just to deal with the design of the heat and material balance of this project, I talked to them that in my point of view, if he are interested, I don't mind about the game and we'll keep working while everyone will go home. No problem about that. And to my luck, as he is the owner and also one of the chemical process engineers of the project, we'll be able to discuss the details about the heat and material balance of the plant. And with that, I will have no influence, or I will not postpone my schedule because of that. I am spending only 3 days here in Salvador, and I need to return to Rio de Janeiro to deal with my other activities. And because I was not aware about the soccer game from Brazil in the World Cup, I almost lost some valuable working hours. So if you plan to deal with something or solve something that needs someone from Brazil to solve during the World Cup, be aware that during the period of time of the games, most often you will not be able to find anyone available. So this is not my case, but it's interesting to mention each country has its particularities. Sorry, and for instance, I went to the US last week and I anticipate my trip because the week that we planned to do the trip was Thanksgiving in the US, and the Thanksgiving is a very important holiday in the US. So it would not make sense to visit the country during the most important holiday for Americans because people would not be taking attention to the work, but to the holiday. And that's not right. There is no right, no wrong. Each country has its kind of behavior, it has its own culture, and it is what it is. Just be alert that during the World Cup, uh, Brazilian team soccer games, probably if you need to talk to someone in Brazil, they may not be available to you. And what is the behavior of people of your country related to the World Cup soccer games in Qatar? They stop working, it's just another day for you. Let me know in the comments if you like this video. So guys, this is it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.